Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit the subject line on Outlook. So open your Outlook app and log into your account. On the mail dashboard, click on New Email. Add your recipient. Then click on the subject field and type your subject line. If you want to change it, just click the subject line again and edit the text. Outlook automatically saves your changes while the email is still in draft. If you're replying to an existing email, click Reply or Forward. By default, Outlook keeps the original subject line, but you can still edit it. Simply click it and change the text before sending this email. This is useful if you want to clarify the topic or start a new conversation thread. Once you're done editing the subject line and writing your message, just click Send, and your updated subject line will be sent with the email. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.